Jai Srimanarayana.
Dasaratha Maharaju is enjoying, spending all his days very happily with his 4 sons and daughter-in-laws, and everyone is very happy. Dasaratha Maharaju is more and more fond of Sri Ramachandra Swami because Sri Ramachandra Swami has such wonderful divine qualities. Ramachandra Swami never shows any anger, never carry any anger towards anyone. Nityam prasantatma, always looks so beautiful, handsome and peaceful. Mrudupurvam prabhashate, even though if someone talks to him rudely, roughly, but never Ramachandra Swami talks back to them in the same style. He always talks so smooth and speaks so smooth. Sri Ramachandra Swami, if anyone does any favor to him by knowingly or unknowingly, he remembers that favor forever, and he always feels that he is indebted to them. On the other hand, if anyone purposefully causes any harm to Sri Ramachandra Swami, even if they try 100 times and even if they do harm him 100 times, Ramachandra Swami just forgets everything and always try to be nice to them. Kadhanchit vupakarena krutena ekena tushyati nasmarati apakaranam satamapi atmavattaya. Such great heart and broad mind Sri Ramachandra Swami has. Anytime he gets any kind of leisure, he always approaches good people, great people, elderly people and knowledgeable people, and he gets advices from them, he gets suggestions from them, he acquires knowledge from them. Ramachandra Swami, even if there are people who are normal citizens comes across, he himself goes forward. He takes first step to talk to them. He never waits for them to come and greet him. Such is the greatness of Sri Ramachandra Swami. Purvabhashi priyam vadaha. He himself goes and talks to them and greets them. He never is able to endure others' grief. He does in every possible way. He does try to rectify, remove the suffering of, the pain of, the grief of others. Such is great and tender heart of Sri Ramachandra Swami. He always keeps himself very healthy, not only physically but also mentally and psychologically. He loves every citizen, and every citizen loves Sri Ramachandra Swami. Dasaratha Maharaju, after noticing, after observing all such great wonderful qualities of Sri Ramachandra Swami, he started thinking of making Ramachandra Swami as the king of Ayodhya. He is also thinking that within my lifetime, before I take departure from this body, I would like to see Rama as the king of this Ayodhya. Like that, his thought process now going on. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us now sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.